So the sun is setting, and what better time than to go fishing? Fishing! Are you excited? I'm excited, and we're gonna do a special challenge today. Are you excited, AJ?
Yeah!
Woo! So we're going to that favorite pond spot today, and we are only gonna be using one specific item for fishing. Bread! That's right, we are doing a bread challenge. Everything eats anything in this pond. So we're going to show you these crazy red terror fire cichlids. They are so beautiful. We're going to catch some, and we are only going to use just bread. Hopefully we catch other things too. We're not going to be using soft plastics or any crazy baits today. We've caught enough bass in this pond. Check our other videos, link in the description below. And we are just going to go have fun and catch some fish using some bread. In the other video. Yeah, this is the pole that I broke in the other video. Link in the description below. But so we're going to be using half of a pole today, in addition to our other full pole. So, wish us luck. In the last couple of videos, we kept forgetting a bucket, but we brought a bucket this time, just in case of anything. Bring the good luck charm? Oh yes, we got him. One full pole, one half pole. The hairless! If this is your first time to this channel, I'm Adam. That is Adam. And this is Margot. And that's Leo. And we are going fishing today at our awesome pond spot. It's our personal pond. And we are gonna catch some fish using nothing but bread. Drop us off, you guys go get coffee, and we're gonna get the fishing stuff ready. We gotta rebait these hooks. The pond! Huge dilemma. I just forgot the whole tackle box at home, so we are going to be using bass hooks and bread. Wish us luck. So Margot generously said she's gonna run all the way home and go get the tackle, but with that sun, I don't know how much time we really have here, so we're kind of pressing it. All right, we got our bread. We got what? Cheerios for the chum. Look at these Jimmy Dean sausage patties. Woo! And we got some pretzel trees things. All right, so let's chum up this water a little bit. All right, so AJ has some, yeah. Let's just see what's in here first, too. See what's biting right now. Oh, look at the baby bass right there. You see him?
Here, have some Cheerios. Honey nut Cheerios. They do not go very fast
Well, somebody's obviously interested. Catch and cook time. No, just kidding. I'm not seeing that many cichlids here. I normally see a ton of cichlids. All right, so we're gonna bread up some of these hooks real quick and get the show on the road. Big old bass hook, the big old piece of bread. Let's see what this sucker can do. These fish out here are ruthless in this pond. Hopefully get some action. I mean, we caught some huge, big old red terror Mayan cichlids here once before. I mean, these were bigger than some of the bass I've caught in here, so if they're out biting today, I feel like easily they will conquer this hook. All right, so we got our bread. Cool, got some bread. All right, keep the bread on the floor. Now let's go ahead and just cast out, see what's out there. Something's gonna bite this thing. I know they're probably gonna take off. Walk over me. Never caught a bass on bread before, but it wouldn't surprise me the way these suckers bite in this pond. You able to cast it out even though it's broken? AJ's using the broken pole over there. Doesn't have much weight on it.
Why is there a flip-flopping here? Why is there a piece?
Oh, there's a bass right by it. There's a bunch of little cichlids. They're gonna go pick at it probably, but they are way too small. They're about the size of the hook. See what happens when you get too excited about a fishing challenge. You forgot half the supplies. Come on, Dad. What's going on? You see the baby bass?
Yeah, see all that under there?
Yeah. See if we had the soft plastics, we'd be able to snag them. But we've caught a lot of bass in this pond from other challenges too. You check out our other videos. But this video, we wanted to try to do just bread. We just need smaller hooks, but first we need some bites, right? I mean, I don't know. I never see anybody else over here fishing. This is a pretty sacred spot. Oh, look at that turtle. There's a turtle head right over there. But I don't know if, I mean, anyone can come here and fish with bread. And these things eat like they're devouring, like they're going to the electric chair. But the bass though, those are special. But we're not even getting any bites. Nothing's even chewing off the bread here. Dude, nothing's even eating the Cheerios we put out here. Did you notice that? Nothing's even eating the Cheerios. Huh? Nothing's even eating the Cheerios that we chum the water with. What if all the bass, seriously,
from the weather clouds.
No, ate all the cichlids. And that's why the bass are getting so big.
And then they just...
I mean, normally this bread couldn't even sink to the bottom without cichlids just attacking it like an army. You had the breeding pair that lived over here, stayed in the nest on the bottom.
Also, before when I was right there feeding the duckies,
What happened?
I saw a baby cichlid.
You saw a baby cichlid?
Yes. Just cichlid.
This is pathetic. We're just wasting bread. Nothing has come over here so far whatsoever to even attempt to eat, other than the duck. I mean, this pond is now a bass pond. It is no longer the cichlid pond it used to be.
Needs are the tadpole pond.
Yeah, exactly.
Or
I mean,
tadpoles are dead.
you got the minnows moving all of the... And all those minnows moving some of the Cheerios and stuff like that. Yeah, no.
They always find a way.
Jeez. All right, well, we got to think of a plan. We got to think of one fast. The only thing that's eating the Cheerios. Oh. You're feeding this?
No, don't be camera shy. I need my bread. Bread. Oh, thank you.
You lead them to you. The face on that thing. Do you think he'll eat out of your hand again? What? What? Did it hurt when it bite or no? Didn't no? So we out here making a fishing vlog, but we got a friend. We're gonna feed this friend by the hand. Oh! Look at its face! All right, so there is a big cichlid out here. And we did cast it. We're just gonna see if we could lure him in a little bit more. Holy cow, we just saw the bass chase him away. A small bass, half his size, chase him away and go to nip his tail. That I haven't seen.
Maybe it's because the unusual days, nothing happened.
Uh-huh.
Interesting stuff happened.
Yeah, right? Well, this is... Oh! You got him?
Yep.
Hook him! Hook set!
No.
Definitely smaller hook time now. Old school. Bobber and hook. Here we go. Let it sit. Let him get it. We moved to a very, very small hook now. These guys don't have big mouths at all. Got him. Look at that. Went right under. No? He got it right off?
Nope.
Oh, okay. All right, we casting. Bobbers, small hooks, and bread. And we got massive cichlids. Cool, perfect, just leave it. Who's gonna catch the first? Who's gonna catch the first? $5. $5 fishing challenge on some bread and bobbers.
It's bread's last money.
Let it sit. Before that bobber went straight under. They weren't playing. You see one? Mm-hmm. Nice. Look at AJ's bobber going.
Got it?
Did it get it or no? No? It's okay. Yeah, I know.
The bread's still on there.
It's still on there?
They're coming back. It's coming back.
Oh, they're attacking it like crazy. I saw them.
3, 2.
Wait, no, let them get it though. They got it or no?
Yep.
Got it. Almost. All right, they're schooling. You saw there was like 4 of them, right? Yeah, you're good. Oh, it's pulling it under? Oh, what? Could be the turtle? No, is it?
Yeah, it was.
Oh, no. Yeah, we definitely don't want to catch a turtle here.
Oh, the turtle.
Oh, no. There's the turtle.
And you know what?
Yeah, we got to stay.
Pulling on me out there,
Uh-huh.
I am so happy it pulled on me before. He was right there.
Yeah?
And whenever it was there,
Uh-huh.
and the fish, it hooked on him. Cause it was
Up. The bobber's gone. Yeah, but see, we got to use less bread, I think. We got to just kind of expose that hook a little bit more. Hook exposed. First cast. This one's probably going to be guaranteed now. I mean, back when I was a kid, you could just throw just a hook on a line. No bread. No bread needed.
See turtle, he's hiding in that patch.
Okay, cool. So we'll avoid him. And it'll be easier to set the hook too, obviously, with it more exposed. Nice. Good cast. Excellent. All right, AJ's all the way out there.
Turtle's in the middle.
Did you expose that hook more, AJ?
Yep.
Oh. It's okay. We'll just pull it away from him. Yeah, these turtles are a nuisance. These Mayans. Come on, cichlids. Stay away. Whose bobber's gonna get pulled down first? That bobber there, or that bobber there? Just let that bobber go. Let him get a hang of it. It's definitely a cichlid. Oh, they're fighting over it. Bobber's under. Way out there. They're fighting over it. Up. Cool, that's good.
Over there, so then they'll both go
Oh, now that bobber's starting to go. You got one? Oh, almost. I saw him. Yeah. Yeah, there's still bread. Yep. Oh, Margot's is gone. Up. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, it's a Mayan right there. See it? Big. Look, they're both right there.
Oh, wow, that's a big one.
And that's not even a big one.
Yeah, that's a red one, though.
The big one's right there.
Yep.
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 See its mouth.
Yeah, just spit it out, though. Margot, set that hook. All right, let it be. Yeah, they're toying with it big time. Oh, that bobber's going down. You got it.
Yep.
You got it. Pull it in. Oh, that was a red one. I saw him. That was one of those big red ones. Dang.
In the dock, I like almost did.
Nice. It's pretty much the same spot, right, where you just casted it before?
Fresh bread.
Yeah. Fresh bread. Fresh bread's always good. Oh, they're toying with it. See, it's in one of their mouths right now. There's the red one. He's got it. Set that hook. They're still picking at it. There's a bunch of little small ones too. It's in the weeds, but it's pretty good because they're still messing with it. If this only wasn't a bread challenge, we have all those soft plastics and the swim bait. Huh? Yeah, I know. And the bass could be scaring them away because they're like, forget this. You leave it. There's the turtle, though. He's out there. He ain't playing. You went under?
Yeah.
He wants it?
Yeah, he's going for it.
Almost. Yeah, and there's that turtle out there, too. But he's like kind of right. I don't know. Well, no, he's not really that interested in it.
Look at that huge bass. You see it right there?
Yeah. Oh, there goes the bobber. It's gone. Snag that sucker. There you go. You got a hook. Yeah, I know. Reel it in though. You ain't got nothing till you reel it in. Woo! There we go. Our first one. Look at how big that guy is. What? Oh boy. Red. Look at that. Oh man. Look at those teeth. Oh boy. There you go. You set that hook good. All right.
And I just release him, and then he goes after my bait, and then I catch him. I'm pretty sure they have pretty sharp teeth, right?
Of course they got sharp teeth. Let's get this out real quick. Okay, we are not putting our fingers in that mouth to do a thumbnail for this, but this guy is huge, man. This is huge. Man, all right. You ready to go back in? Show me your teeth. Let's see those teeth. Oh, boy. Oh, goodness. All right. That was the first one of the day. Caught this big, beautiful red Mayan cichlid. Gonna put him back in. All right. Go ahead. Nice. Good catch. I'm happy right there. Challenge done. Nah, just kidding. There's way more fish. That cichlid was bigger than some of the bass I caught in some of my other videos. These are invasive species, people. Got to get them out of these waters. But I'm not going to kill these fish. Look at that bass. Right there. And they don't want to switch the hooks. You sure? Oh, that sucker. He sees all these cichlids over here. That sucker's like a good 3.5 pounder. Oh, man. Because we're doing a bread challenge. All right, so AJ wants to catch this big bass right here that will not leave us alone. So we're going to change this hook and put on some soft plastics, and hopefully he catches it. Let's go. You're kidding. Let him swallow the whole thing. Hook set. Get him, AJ. Get him. Bring him in. What'd you get? In 2 seconds?
I told you.
What?
Wing right there for me.
All right, guys, we switched the hooks really quick. AJ just caught himself an awesome bass. Woo!
Yeah.
All right. That's awesome. Yeah, that's big, man.
And that's what he said, can I pass, please?
Nice.
He kept saying, no, wait. I'm like, no. Can I take a picture? Can we take a picture?
I tried to put the pliers. Cool. Awesome.
Yeah, I want to hold him.
You sure?
Yep.
All right.
Ah.
Yeah, it's okay.
There's some teeth. Ah.
Yep, just grab them good. Nice. I know. That's a big bass.
It has a cover.
Definitely a good 3-pounder. Yeah. Smile. All right. Cool, man. First cast, everything.
Oh my god.
Woo. All right, guys. We switched those up really quick just because those, the bread challenge was, I mean, it wasn't failing, but it wasn't as good as we thought it was. But look at that nice chunker. All right. Pretty sweet. All right. You're going to do the release?
Yep. I want to do it hard.
Go ahead.
This proper and not lean.
Is that the biggest bass you ever caught?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Nice. Good job. All right. I think that was the one that was constantly just lurking.
That was it.
Yeah. Wow.
That's what I kept saying. I kept saying, no, I'm like,
Dang it. Dang it. There goes the bread challenge. Now we're having fun because we're catching bass. Yeah, the blue, that's the good one. That's the one I told you about. That's the one in my other video that if this blue one goes, I have no reference anymore of what to get. All right, it's starting to get a little bit dark. I don't know how much more time we have left with this challenge. Now we've switched to worms because the bread, well, we got our main red steak there with that bread, which was good. So we're just doing a quick little bass fishing. AJ obviously caught the biggest bass we're probably going to catch today. So we're just going to kind of see what else is out here at night. I've never been out here this late. So, I mean, I don't know. You never know. Maybe there's some catfish here. I don't know. That'd be pretty cool to catch some catfish at night.
and also probably that bass. He looked pretty full, and now he's probably not going to eat again because that worm.
Right. You never know.
He might still want it.
Because he took your worm, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That was a good catch, AJ.
Because if anything, it would go in his mouth. Because like you said, they suck it in, it's in.
Yep. I get that new worm luck. Let's see. Switched it. New one, fresh out the bag. Can't believe how quick that bass bit when AJ casted it too. No delay. There's a big one across the lake. See if I can. Yep, right by it. Up. What did I get? How small is this? What? A little one. AJ,
Yeah?
look how big this little guy is.
We're keeping him.
I don't know.
Yes.
Look how small. What?
He is big enough.
Oh man, he is so tiny. I didn't even think I caught anything. This was the baby. It actually is. Look at how tiny.
I want to catch him.
Oh man. What are you filling up the bucket?
That's brilliant.
Man,
Water.
that'd really be cool to keep though. Right?
I don't think there might be enough water.
No, it's not.
I can't.
And it's not worth it. It's
I
okay.
just want to see him though.
But what do you want to do? You want to hold him here?
Okay, baby.
AJ, leave the bucket.
I want to kiss him. Put it.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Put them back.
Oh, no, no.
Swim the other way.
I know the beach.
Throw them out in the water. Nice. Yeah, look at them. Hopefully another big bass. That other one doesn't come up and just gobble them up. I mean, on the bright side, we each caught a fish, even though mine was the smallest today. But
enjoy.
watch my other videos, you'll see. Bigger ones ahead. Last cast. See what it has in store for us. Could this be the big one? Could this be a catfish?
Daddy,
Thinking positive.
we actually ate 3 fish.
Wow.
When we caught 3 fish.
Huh. Up.
Ow!
What?
My chest!
I just hit you in the chest with this? Did I really?
Yeah.
What? Did you see I had a little bass on there though?
No, you didn't. I mean, yeah.
Did I really hit you in the chest? Oh. Are you okay? I scare you? Jeez, I got scared. I didn't even know that flew off the hook. All right, and we're doing one more last cast. Maybe this will be the catfish. I did have something on there though. You guys saw, right? We gotta make sure that worm stays active.
Hey, look, Dad, you can feel right here.
Huh.
It's wet.
Really?
Yeah, look.
Oh man.
Look, it's wet.
Oh goodness. Oh goodness. There's war wounds. This fishing trip brought war wounds. You're standing in a perfect exact spot you just were. So when I get my next hook set, this fish is gonna go right in your face this time. Be ready.
No, it'll be in my mouth.
Yeah, there you go. Even better. Better for the content. That'll be great, actually. So please stand there.
Now it's hiding behind this stone, like,
Such a smart kid.
hiding behind in the middle.
All right. Right in the middle there. Let's see what we can get. Never fish this pond at night, so I do not know what comes out at night more than just the bass still obviously munching on these worms, but yeah, you can hear all the frogs.
Like,
What is it?
it sounds like whoa. Hit that word.
Dedicating this to one last cast on this broken pole to see what we will catch. And if there's nothing, we are calling it a night.
I was just about to say, after this.
There you go. Boom.
And you just catch like a 10-pound bass.
Yeah.
Or like some gar. Or a catfish.
We should have put that breakfast sandwich on there with that meat if we want to see a gar with a nice triple hook.
Remember that one time when we were at the gas station and there was a gar, but we couldn't get it?
Yeah, and we used some leftover chicken too.
Wait, didn't it bite us, but we just didn't?
Yeah, well no, it bit after the hook, but it just didn't snag. Well, that is it, ladies and gents. Here is our worm. That is our night. Thank you so much for staying with us this whole video, from the bread challenge all the way to switching it up to the soft plastics and AJ catching his biggest bass ever. Make sure to drop a thumbs up and a like on this video, please, and hit that notification bell button below. Comment below too, what's the biggest bass you've ever caught? Have you ever caught anything with bread before? Thank you so much for watching A1A Adventures.
Bye-bye.
And this whole time, you were here. You were here.